Welcome to you from Chem Help ASAP. This video is somewhat atypical content for our channel, but it does relate to nutrition and food as chemical energy. That's kind of chemistry, so I decided to make a video on a recent trip to the store by myself and one of my children. It involved a bit of a mystery about a cupcake, and I think we figured it out. So recently, my daughter and I went to a local store. The store had a big display of different baked goods on the way in, and my daughter immediately noticed some cupcakes that were decorated like hamburgers. Here is a picture of one of these creations. We picked up one on the way out of the store. My daughter ate it in the car in about 2 bites. She then read the package label, which started a conversation. Before we move on, some of you might be wondering, if she ate the cupcake in the car, then how do I have a picture of the cupcake on our kitchen table? I'll explain that shortly. So my daughter first read the price label. This is a picture of the label with a very soft focus. The top of the label listed the calories of the cupcake. 570 calories. Oof. The weight of the cupcake was listed as 2 ounces. That's just a bit under 60 grams. The cupcake was to be eaten by May 24th, and it was. The price was just about $1. The part that caught my eye was the number of calories and the weight of the cupcake. To understand why these values are surprising, let's quickly review macronutrients. These are the fat, protein, and carbohydrates in food and determine the caloric content. Each gram of fat contributes 9 calories. A gram of protein adds 4 calories. A gram of carbohydrate is also 4 calories. With this information, we can see why the label is surprising. We know the weight of the cupcake is 2 ounces, equivalent to 57 grams. Even if the cupcake was pure fat, 57 grams of fat, the number of calories would be just 513. Of course, some of the 57 grams of the cupcake are fat, but it certainly contains lots of sugars, carbohydrates. It will also contain some water, which doesn't add any calories. This cupcake almost certainly does not have 570 calories. So the calories on the label are too high. In addition to the price label, the cupcake had a label with its nutrition facts, as well as the ingredients. This was some tiny text, so I did not even try to capture a picture. A more detailed breakdown of the nutritional information is listed on this slide. If you add up the calories for the different macronutrients, you indeed get 569 calories. Good agreement with the 570 that we've already discussed. But look at the mass of the macronutrients. That's 111 grams. You can't have 111 grams of macronutrients in a 2-ounce, 57-gram cupcake. There are 3 possible problems. Either the reported weight of the cupcake was too low, or the reported calories were too high, or some combination of both. Candidly, since food always seems to have more calories than you think, I suspected that the weight was wrong and the calories were right. Regardless, the only way to solve this mystery was to get another cupcake and weigh the thing. As it turns out, we had to go back to the store the next day. Again, my daughter went with me. We picked up another cupcake. This time, the cupcake remained untouched until we got home. Here, on the left, is a picture of the cupcake. This is the same picture on the title slide and thumbnail for this video. I did drop the package on the floor, so the cupcake is not looking its absolute best. We opened it up and put it on the scale and got a weight of 2.0 ounces. Dang, this cupcake weighs exactly what the package said. It's the calories that were off. By the way, another thing that's off is the date on our food scale. This picture was not taken on August 14th. Okay, well, just like Scooby-Doo and the gang, I think we cracked the case. Let's wrap up this mystery. The weight was right. The calories were wrong. I would guess the calories of this cupcake are around 250 to 275. There isn't much of a take-home lesson for this video. Do read your food labels. In general, they are pretty accurate. I'll cut the store some slack on this cupcake. Local bakery goods are not produced in the same consistent manner as foods like breakfast cereal or canned soup. Making accurate labels for customized goods is going to lead to some inaccuracies and mistakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make a comment, especially if you'd like to see more food chemistry videos. Leave a like or subscribe to the channel. Take care.